Hello, it's Wednesday, December the 3rd, 2014, and I'm Martin Smith, Financial Analyst at UFX Trading Support Center with your daily trading outlook. US indices rose, led by energy shares. The Dow Jones rose by 0.58%, the S&P 500 by 0.64%, and the NASDAQ added 0.60% to its value. Chevron shares also rose by 2.05%, closing at $113.88, as the company began pumping from a new $500,000,000 deposit beneath the Gulf of Mexico. The US dollar traded higher against most major currencies as FOMC Vice Chair Stanley Fischer painted a mostly bright outlook for the US economy. Today, the ADP Nonfarm Employment Change is expected at 223,000 versus 230, and the ISM Non-Manufacturing PMI at 57.5 versus 57.1 previously. Gold dropped by 0.66% to close at $1,197 an ounce. Crude oil also fell by 1.85% to close at $67 a barrel. Today, the crude oil inventories is expected at 1.1 million versus 1.9 million previously. The euro dropped versus the US dollar, with the PPI coming out worse than expected at minus 0.4% versus 0.3% forecast, despite the better than expected Spanish unemployment change at minus 14.7 thousand versus 21.3 thousand forecast. Euro dollar is trading in a descending triangle. Breaking the lower side of the triangle may lead the pair towards 122, while breaching the upper side may take the euro dollar to around 128. Finally, the British pound has declined against the US dollar, with the construction PMI coming out worse than expected at 59.4 versus 61.2 forecast. As long as the cable is holding above the support line of 156, a rise towards 160 is expected. Well, that's it for today. Join us again tomorrow morning as we continue to bring you the latest market news. Until then, be sure to log in to UFX.com for all your trading needs, and where your personal account manager is ready to answer all your questions. From all of us here at UFX, we wish you a successful trading day.